Hello everybody, today we're going to discuss a rook ending with one king and a rook against a king. Now before we start, we need to focus on one term. Our term of the day is opposition. Opposition occurs when two kings are facing each other with one square in between. Now there are different types of opposition. This is straight opposition because the kings are straight, and this is knight's opposition because the kings are in the shape of a knight. Now when we do a rook ending, with one rook and a king against a king, we need to be aware of four basic rules. The first rule is to do a cutoff, like so, creating a cutoff here that on the fifth rank that the black king cannot cross and use to escape. Black does their move, and we now apply our second rule, which is to bring the king closer and place it in knight's opposition, like so. Black moves here to f6, and we apply our third rule, which is that when the kings are in straight opposition, we go down and give it a check. Now you see the purpose of this. The black king cannot come forward. It can't stay where it is, so it's forced to move back. But it's also threatening the rook, so we need to bring it all the way here to a6, where it'll be safe. Now black comes to f7, again to attack the rook, and we bring our king in knight's opposition, according to the second rule. Now black runs all the way over here, and we follow, always keeping it in knight's opposition. And now as soon as black threatens the rook, we bring it again to a safe spot, and black comes here to c7. Now we apply our final rule. When the kings are already in knight's opposition, we play a waiting move. Now a waiting move is a move that has no real purpose, but is just used as a time move, where we don't need to do anything, but the opponent is forced to do a move that we want. So our waiting move will be just to move the rook forward one square, because that doesn't change anything. And black is forced to move here to d7. Again, we have straight opposition, so we go down and give it a check, and black comes here. And we go into knight's opposition, and say black comes here to d8. And now the kings are in straight opposition once more, so we go down, give it a check, and we realize it's a mate. Black king can't come forward, can't stay where it is, and obviously can't go back because it's on the 8th rank. So we have a mate. So this is the process of doing a rook checkmate with one rook and a king against just a king. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you.